In this short video, I want to walk you through the Medrash Ets Haim Patreon page. Now, on YouTube, I have a variety of materials which you can find if you go to Patreon and type in Medrash Ets Haim or follow the link that's under some of the videos. You will find this page, and on it, everything is free to access. You'll find material available for download. So the Hebrew reading lessons, which are on YouTube, can be downloaded here in zip file format. So if you click on the link, you'll see here Hebrew Reading Course Part 3.zip and so on. And you can download it. Also in progress right now is a recording of the Mishnah in the Spanish and Portuguese pronunciation, a study recording in which I read the Mishnah sentence and phrase by phrase in Hebrew, then an English translation or paraphrase, and then I repeat the phrase 3 times. So,
Perek Aleph, Chapter 1, Perek Aleph, Perek Aleph, Perek Aleph, Mishnah Aleph, Mishnah 1, Mishnah Aleph, Mishnah Aleph, Mishnah Aleph. Me'ematai, from when? Me'ematai, me'ematai, me'ematai. Korin et Shaman. Are we to read the Shaman? Korin et Shaman. Korin et Shaman. Korin et Shaman. Bengaradit, in the evening. Bengaradit, Bengaradit, Bengaradit.
So this material is available to listen to on the website here, or it's available as a zip file. So far, Tractate Berachot is complete, and I'm moving on to recording Tractate Peah. The text that's being followed is the text of the Livorno edition. This is the standard authoritative Spanish and Portuguese edition of the Mishnah, which follows the Spanish and Portuguese tradition of the vowel pointing and the girsa, the variation in the text. And this can be found at HebrewBooks.org. Let's go to page 20, for example. And here is the text of the Livorno edition of the Mishnah. So I invite you to visit Medrash Ets Haim at Patreon. And if you wish, you can subscribe and help support this project. And there are various ways to subscribe. You can subscribe for $2 a month, or $10 or more a month, or $50 or more a month, or $100 or more a month to support this project. And any amount that you put in will then be debited from you either via PayPal or whatever system you use on a monthly basis. So that's if you wish to support the project. But the material is all available for free, whether you decide to support the project or not. And I'm working on this consistently at the moment. So Mishnah Peah is the next to be recorded. So that's all from me at the Medrash Ets Haim. Bye.